If you've ever deleted an important event by mistake, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view and restore deleted events in Google Calendar. This is a quick and easy way to recover meetings, reminders, appointments, and any other calendar events you thought were gone forever. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You'll want to do this on a desktop browser because the trash and restore options are easiest to access there. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the top right and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu, choose Trash. This is where Google Calendar stores deleted events before they're permanently removed. In the Trash section, you'll see a list of deleted calendar events. Take your time here and look for the event you want to bring back. If you deleted multiple items, make sure you select the correct one so you restore the right event. After you find it, click to select the event. Once the event is selected, you'll see the Restore option. Click Restore, and Google Calendar will recover that event and put it back onto your calendar. The best part is that it comes back with its original date, time, and event details, so you don't have to recreate everything from scratch. This is especially helpful if you accidentally removed a work meeting, school deadline, or personal reminder. And that's it. Your deleted Google Calendar event has been restored successfully. Now you know how to find the trash, locate a deleted event, and bring it back in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.